Back at it again with the white vans. So, Computer Programming University, I just wanted to do a quick update. I am working on some scripting tutorials as requested. And also, I just wanted to give you a quick heads up about something that is coming up pretty soon. I just had an idea of something that would be very useful for me to build. And in general, I think it would be really cool. And therefore it has opened up an idea for a uh, future thing that I can share with you guys. So basically, I wanna get into voice recognition. I think that'll be really cool to play around with. So I'll give you the basic concept of why, what sparked my interest in terms of what actual tool do I want to build. So, as some of you may know, I'm in the commodities business now. So there is a lot of strange symbology, shall we say? Not quite as simple as with equities. It's pretty much IBM, APPL, whatever. Um, so I can recognize a lot of the big names when people are trading. I know what they are. But with commodities, I don't know. Like, for example, right now I'm looking at a order for ZM1. I don't know what that is, man. So I got to go run queries and pull from our database and see what that actually is. Now, this is something that I'll need to do randomly throughout the day, many times a day. And I'm all about efficiency and speed. And I don't wanna have to every time I gotta go run some query and all that kind of stuff. I would like to, as I'm actually looking at something, so I'm looking at what's called a transaction cost analysis chart, which gives me a graph of the performance of the order as far as the algorithm, what the algorithm did, why it did it, and all that kind of stuff. I would like to, as I'm looking at it, be able to know what the product is. I don't want to step away from it and go to my terminal and go run some query. It's too much, right? So imagine, this is the idea. Imagine, um, let's see, what would I call it? So I need a phrase that lets it know I'm talking to it. I don't know, whatever. Lookup symbol. Hello. ZM1. Searching. ZM1 is cotton. Right? That'll be awesome. Like, I can, at any point in time, I'm working on this, I'm working on that, I'm in this program or that program, doesn't matter what it is. I see a symbol, I don't know what it is. I don't have to go anywhere. I can simply ask and have the program tell me what it is. Let me actually see what it is. ZM1. ZM1. Liffy. Liffy. See, the first query I run lets me know. It lets me know the Bloomberg symbol, so I could go on Bloomberg and look it up that way. So see, that's not, so now I go to my terminal, run a query. Then now it gives me ZM1, so I guess it's the same indicator on Bloomberg. So now I have to go to a different computer on a different program and run another search again on the same thing, ZM1. So this comes up, commodity. So now a couple things are coming up here. I got generic first electric NY ISO zone G. Then I got generic first ZM future. I'm gonna assume it's the one that says future. Let's look at some more search results here. Commodities. So it looks like it's energy related. I still don't know what this is. Generic first elect. There's a 12th, a 10th, a 13th. Man, this is a bad example to use because this is not going to be something that my program is going to be able to do much with. This is a bad one because it's going to do a search for it, and okay, I got a meeting. It's going to do a search for it, and then how is it going to know? Like, I'm a human looking at this thing. I would hope that I'm smarter than the program, and it's challenging for me to even figure out what it is. So anyway, long story short, we got voice recognition tutorials coming up. So stay tuned for that right here on the Computer Programming University. All right, guys. Ciao.